Gang, what the fuck is up? It's been a minute since I talked to y'all, since I seen y'all, you feel me, since y'all seen me type shit, you feel me? A lot's been going on with Fendi for real. Today, I'm about to be switching out my lights. I put some aftermarket lights in. I cannot see for shit. I'm talking about this shit is so fucking horrible. I can't see for shit. I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown of what's been going on with the car. For like the past, well, maybe like 3 weeks ago, my car kept shutting out, right? I don't know what the fuck the problem was. Changed out the alternator 6 months ago. That wasn't it. The battery, I just changed it twice. You feel me? I changed it because I thought it was that. It wasn't the battery. Then I changed it again just to be safe. You feel me? Wasn't the battery. I changed the fuses from the battery to the ones under the hood to the ones inside the car. Wasn't it? However, I'm gonna tell you what was going on. The car, it will drive for like 20 minutes, then it will cut out. And when I say cut out, I mean like everything in the car would turn pitch black. I add a little clip in here too. All right, y'all, look. I barely got 2 minutes away from my house to get some gas, and look, the car shut off. The only lights that are on is the key light. You can barely see it though. I'm trying to get it to focus. Oh no, it ain't focusing. However, it's the key light, and that's like the headlight or something like that. You feel me? Then this is going in and out, the lights, and the car is still on, but it has no type of like function at all. Like, you feel me? None of this turns on. As soon as I turn this off, it's going, you feel me? It's just, this is what it does. So let's see what happens. Put it in park, turn the car off. Okay, hold it. Wait. All right. Now it's off. Now I'm gonna try to start it again. Put it on the brake. Nothing. It'll turn pitch black, but the engine will still be running. But everything else, the car, like, I can't accelerate. I can brake, obviously, but I can't accelerate. You feel me? If I try to accelerate, nothing. But the car is still moving with the engine on. But as soon as I cut the engine off, it's done for. You feel me? Then I have to wait like 10, 15 minutes. Unplug the battery. Unplug the battery. Reset the system, basically. Plug it back up. Then it'll start back up. And I had to keep doing that for like a week straight. So I finally took it to Sacramento. And there was no check engine light at all. I don't know what the fuck the problem was. Then out of nowhere, I think like 2 days before I took it to Sacramento, check engine light came out. I was like, okay, cool, you feel me? It gave me a whole checklist. Or not checklist, yeah, it gave me a whole engine checklist. I'll throw a picture of it inside here as well. None of that was the problem. I'm saying none of it because when I took it to SAC, fast forward, I took it to SAC, they said the codes that popped up, nothing came back to that being a problem at all. They said they couldn't really find a problem. They just tightened everything up that was getting too much air. So they said the ECU was getting too much air. The mass airflow sensors were getting too much air. Fucking anything that had to do with air, they said it was getting too much. So they tightened it back up. They closed everything, capped everything off. And I just picked up the car today after a week of them having it. And so far, it drove good all day. I'm praying this shit fucking stays good forever. That's just what's been going on. Other than that, I'm about to change out these fucking light bulbs because I can't see. So yeah, if y'all know what the fuck that problem was, let me know. But like I said, Sac City Auto parts, so far they fixed it. So far it's still good. But if y'all had that problem, comment down below and let me know what y'all did. You feel me? Because that shit had me stressing for real. I probably missed some parts. I'm not too sure if I did. I'll probably just write it out instead of making another video about it. But yeah, let me know. All right, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little, not really a cold start because I drove about 2 hours ago, but I'm gonna give y'all a little rev, I guess. Let's see. Y'all see how dark it is inside the car. This is before. This is what I see. Can't really see. I'm trying my high beams. That's my high beams. I don't know if y'all can see the color change. That's my high beams. Damn near the same. Let's see. Look. This is on. All right. Oh, maybe. Hold on. I think. I don't know. You feel me? Man, this is high beams. So the high beam, for sure, you can see a difference. But the actual light, I don't know. Y'all let me know the comparison, you feel me? Yeah, you feel me? So that's it for right now. Other than that, comment down below, like I said earlier. Fucking let me know if your car ever did that. 2012 Infiniti G37. You let me know if your car ever did that. If not, you're fucking lucky. There we go. But anyways, y'all be safe. Be dangerous. Stay safe. Stay dangerous. You feel me? Fucking y'all have a good week out there. You feel me? Wherever y'all from. But hey, just show love. You feel me? That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. Hey. I'm just gonna make this video simple and short. I told y'all, you feel me, when I picked up the car yesterday that I'm gonna give it a week. That shit started acting up again. So I called the place like, hey, like, woo, this and that is doing the same thing. They said feature my son in the back. But they're like, they're gonna look into it, this and that. So I'm like, bro, what the fuck, bro? Like, it's something that they're not looking at that I can't see, you feel me? Like, cause I ain't got all the fucking tools, but I got tools, I got enough, you feel me? But yeah, so I figured I'll just talk to y'all and let y'all know what's going on right now, the circumstances that we're in. Y'all have a good time. Be safe. All right, tell them to say bye.